Hey guys! So today is going to be a very important video for me, and that is because we are going to be coming up with our own look. Um, Meaning, well, let me switch this to what is it? Okay. So yeah, meaning that that we are going to be coming up with our own look, somewhat like a spinny boy, a cheese tiger, loaf, bread links, those. I don't really know what to call that, but yeah, or a candle crock, something like that. Of course, it's gonna be a non-member because, like a spinning boy, except completely different than a spinning boy, because, Okay, you're gonna use a seal, and we're just gonna come up with a look for a seal. First, let's wipe this and start off with a clean slate like that, just like that. Be fine. Now, something nice and not something that you can buy or something that's like you can buy or is easy to get. That is it. That's what we're going with. This is our new look. This is the look that we are having as the look that we can have. English, please. Okay, changing the eyes though. Perfect. Okay. So now that was English. We are now the squid seals. I love it. I love it. I can't even. I love it so much. We are the squid seals. Oh, wait. Squid seals. Squid seals. Squid seals. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't even. I can't. I just can't. Okay, we're gonna go up here now. Ah! Someone's up here. Who are you? Leave. Oh, go away. Thank you. I mean, you haven't actually gone away, but maybe you're AFK and are going to go away. Come on. This is absolutely amazing. You can be any variant of color. You just have to match with your color, eyes, and nose, mouth. Because this is a mouth, and that's a nose. Just have to match. This is it. This is it. This is it. It's everything. This is everything. No. Person. I can't make that go away now. That's annoying. This is it. This is it. This is absolutely fantastical. Okay, sorry about that, Zoom. I had to, I'm sorry. Yeah, we're gonna go in here. Very crowded place. Oh, it's actually not. What are you doing? What are you doing now? What are you doing? Havana, not nah. sorry. Okie dokie. Well, like, my god. Oh, who's this? Mouse? I keep running into them. I don't remember why I blocked them. If I did, I would tell you, but I don't remember. And I'm not going to assume anything. It's probably just annoying me. But, yeah, you know, that's okay. That's okay. You forgive and forget, right? Yeah. Forgive and forget. So sweet, so cute. Okay, well, everyone must be a squid seal. Must be a squid seal. Seal squid, squid seal. No, definitely seal squid. No, squid seal. Definitely squid seal. And you can still buy it. And I don't think it's ever gone away. But it's not member item. So, yeah, it's kind of perfect. Kind of the most perfect outfit I think you'll ever see in your whole entire life. So satisfying. So aesthetic. So everything. Yes, it is. Okay, now we're gonna go to the underwater. I know a lot of people don't have their underwater looks, but we're gonna make a look for the underwater. I wish it could be that so much, but it's not. That is sadly not. That's also a member. Why are all of these things member items? Yeah, sure, but it's not as good as my squid, I guess. If you're a boy, this can be here. And then if you're a girl, this can be. Or you know what, let's come up with something far better. Sure. I do accept all friend requests. See my bunny. Gwen. I have a lot of buddies though. Oh, I wish this could be it. Stupid member symbol sign thing. It annoys me so much. Every single thing on this page is member. That's not cute enough. Too much like a lay, like Julian 2's lay. Ah, there's nothing there. We have to do it. I'm sorry. This is our underwater look, guys, and I'm really ashamed of how it looks, because, whoa. Is that how seals swim? Can they not swim, like, down, straight down? To swim, like, sideways? That looks more natural. Okay, anyways, bye, guys. Bye, my seals. Thank you for watching this video. It means so much to me, and don't forget to give it a like and subscribe and comment down below. If you are going to make or have made this look, this squid seal look, after watching this video. So yes, thank you very, very much. I guess I will see you all next time. Bye.